In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter in Power BI. To get started, open Power BI and go to the report you want to work on. Once you're inside your report view, take a look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll usually find several side panels that help you manage and customize your report. Among these panels, you should see options for your data, your visualizations, and your filters. What you want to do here is click on the Filters panel. This is the area that lets you control how your data is displayed based on specific values or conditions. If the panel is already open, that's great. If not, just select it so you can view the filtering options available for your current report or selected visual. Once you're in the Filters section, you'll see the filters related to your current data. The exact options you see can vary depending on what fields are included in your report and what kind of data your dataset contains. This is important because Power BI only shows filtering choices that are relevant to the data you're working with. From here, you can start applying a filter by checking the boxes next to the values you want to include. For example, if your data contains categories, regions, dates, or product types, you may see those available as selectable filter values. Simply check the boxes that match what you want to display in your report. As soon as you make your selection, Power BI updates the data view based on that filter. This is a quick and effective way to narrow down your report and focus only on the information you need. Filters are especially useful when you're working with large datasets and want to make your visuals easier to read or more relevant to a specific audience. If you don't immediately see the result you expect, take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the correct filter area and that the available values match the data in your report. Small changes in selection can affect what appears on the page, so it's always a good idea to review your choices carefully. And that's it. That's how you add a filter in Power BI using the Filters panel on the right side and selecting the available checkbox options from your data. Once you get comfortable with this, filtering becomes a very simple but powerful part of building cleaner and more useful reports.